Hey folks, how y'all doing today? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. Today's Monday. Another chance for us to have a great week. So, today, got a couple of things, but first off, we're going to be over at Lowe's. They got a couple of things for their daily deals. First, they have this single bevel compound corded miter saw. That's going to be $249. The main one I want to show you is this 10-inch 20-volt max dual bevel compound miter saw. Of course, it's cordless. For $299. If you need some bit sets, they have a 140 piece Craftsman set. If I'm not mistaken, that does fit on the VersaStack. They have a Metabo 2-inch 18 gauge pneumatic straight brad nailer for $49. A DeWalt 10 gallon 6.5 horsepower corded wet dry shop vac, and it also comes with accessories for $179. We have this V20 RP 20 volt max cordless brushless variable speed oscillating tool from Craftsman, $74. I have no experience or haven't even heard of anything about that, but it is Craftsman and they trying to make a comeback. We're gonna root for them. We're gonna root for Craftsman. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Next we have a 60 piece screwdriver bit set from Craftsman for $19.98. You also have some oscillating tool blades from Ox Tool for $14.98. Got a Metabo 4.5 inch paddle switch angle grinder. That's gonna run you $75. Of course, that's corded. And then you got a 4-pack of these oscillating tool blades from Ox Tool for $24.98. And also we have the Craftsman screwdriver bit set. That's going to be a 38 piece for $4.98. That's all the tools they have. But I tell you what, if you're into it, they do have let me see if I can find it right quick. Sorry about that. Sorry about this, folks. Just bear with me for a moment. They do have for your home and everything. If you want to go and look at this, they have a bunch of succulents and house plants. So if you're into that, like you can get 30 packs of assorted succulents for $38. That just seems like a good deal to me. I'm not like a green thumb or anything like that, but you know, just to brighten and liven your house up. And it's good to have house plants inside your house, I think. That's what I've been told my whole life. So that was just one other thing. As well as they do have some fans. The fans aren't that great of a price. But yeah, that's all I have from Lowe's. I appreciate you stopping by, and hopefully you'll be able to pick something up and maybe get one of those house plants. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Appreciate it. Hope you have a great day and an awesome week. Take care.